I've had a relapse with my arachnophobia. I attribute it to the fact that there is a lot of instability in my life right now, and I'm not in the strongest place because of it. I just moved, and one, I don't know anybody in this neighborhood, and two, turns out there are actually a lot of spiders here. And the other day, I just kind of came into my web, and there was a spider right in front of my web. And I know that it was just trying to make me feel at home. It had a basket of beetles that it was, just as a nice gesture. Welcome to the neighborhood. Here's some warm beetles, but I didn't like the way it moved. I didn't like the way it looked at me. And I didn't like the fact that it was flirting with me. But we are going to go out on a date. And I'm considering it therapy. Because if I can get to the place where I can touch myself, then I'm sure I can get to the place where I can touch one of those ugly looking things.